Chase Bank login chase.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can log into chase.com, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to log into Chase Bank, open up your browser, go to chase.com, or you can also use the Chase app. Once done, just tap the sign in option from the top right hand side of the screen here. And once you tap the sign in option from the top right hand side, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you can simply enter the username and the password associated with your Chase account. After you have done that, you can just tap the sign in option here in order to sign into the account. Now in case you happen to forget your username or password, you can tap on forgot username or password. If you have not yet enrolled, you can just tap the enroll now option to go ahead and then enroll for Chase mobile banking. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically log into chase.com. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.